Yeah, I know captaincy is a big thing in South Africa, and when I started out, it wasn't like a big thing for me because I always thought we all take ownership and we just support the captain. But I mean, the icon Sia or the person Sia has become in South Africa definitely shifted my mind about that. Uh, our feeling is if a guy is 34, 35, 36, and he's injury free and he's the fittest possible that he can be in the best shape, then as long as he is the number one in that position, he'll stay captain. Obviously there's some other options, and Eben has been, and Bongi has been, and there's been a couple, Peter Steff has been, there's been a couple, but if Sia's fit and Sia's healthy and Sia's in best possible shape that he can be, I don't think there'll be a change this year. But if he's not number one in his position, if I elaborate now on a few names, then that will be all the headlines and take the focus off of what we're trying to achieve this year.